Alright guys, and welcome to this video. So on this video guys, we are going to be talking about the Monad-testnet Airdrop. Alright, so we are particularly going to be talking about the madness.finance decentralized exchange, where you can carry out some trade, add liquidity, stake token and farm token. Alright, so this is part of the interaction that we are going to be doing on the Monad-testnet. So why are we calling this Monad-testnet Airdrop? The reason is because this transaction that you are going to be making right here is actually going to be qualifying you for two airdrop. Alright, so the first airdrop is that it's going to be qualifying you for madness.finance airdrop, and also it is also going to be qualifying you to get more airdrop from the Monad-testnet. The reason is because Monad-testnet airdrop is going to be calculated based on the volume or the amount of transaction that you have done on the during the testnet. All right, so but all this transaction that we are going to be doing right on this video is going to be carried out on the Monad blockchain, meaning that it is in turn going to be increasing our airdrop reward on the Monad-testnet airdrop. All right, so without wasting time guys, this platform is where we're going to be interacting with. The link to this platform is going to be right there on the video description box, so make sure to copy the link and open it up either on your wallet or on your web3 browser where your wallet is already installed. For example, Mrs. browser, where I've also made a video about how you can add your wallet to it. The video will be right there on the video description box. But guys, if you haven't yet subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, kindly support us by subscribing to our channel and also liking this video. We are heading to 10,000 subscribers guys, so also do not forget to use the link on the video description box to join our Telegram, where we drop all important crypto related updates that's going to be helping you make money for free in the crypto space guys. So right now guys, this is another edition of the video and we are starting right now. So the first thing you need to do from here is to make sure that your wallet is connected. Go ahead and connect your wallet. All right, so over I guess you are going to be required to mix to trade first. That's the first thing. So over I guess we are going to be trading. I have about 27.6 Monad right here, but in case you don't have Monad, how do you actually get it? To be able to get Monad, what you need to do is simply navigate here to faucet. You click on faucet, and over here you are going to be required to actually complete this task before you can go ahead and claim 0.1 mon from this faucet, which you can actually claim once every 24 hours. So I need to complete this task here right now real quick. I will first of all connect my wallet. I need to sign this message. I'll click on sign right now. Popping up my MetaMask right now, I need to click on confirm to actually sign this message. Okay, and right now confirming right now I've actually signed this. So right now I'm going to be completing this task right here immediately. Finally guys, I've completed all the stuff, so I need to come over here and then click on faucet. So you can see we are going to be getting a failed message right now, meaning that the faucet could not be working at this point in time. So what you need to do is simply go ahead and of course wait after some moment, maybe a day or two, then you can come back right here and then claim from this faucet. Also, to make it even more easier, drop your receiver's address right there, your Monad receiver's address right there on the comment section, and tell me the country you are watching from, and I'm going to be sending you some Monad. All right, so once you have gotten some Monad, you need to come over here to trade. That's the first thing. You need to swap from Monad to another token. For example, I'm going to be swapping from Monad to MAD, all right, which is the token that actually belongs to this platform. I need to input the amount that I want to be swapping. For example, I want to be swapping 2 Monad, and I'm going to be getting to 226 MAD token. All right, so right now we're going to be clicking on swap right now. I need to confirm this swap right now. My MetaMask is going to be popping up right now. Yes, I need to click on confirm, and right now immediately I click on confirm, this is going to be going through immediately. Okay, and right now guys, you can see transaction has been completed. So right now guys, we have successfully made a trade. This is the first step. So the next thing you need to do is simply come over here to pool. You click on pool right now. You click on pool like this, and over here you need to select a pay that you want to add liquidity to. So right now guys, I will go ahead and select this first one because I already have some Mon token and I have some MAD token as well. So right now guys, I need to click on add liquidity. Right here guys, you can see for every MAD token you get 113 MAD for every Monad token, and you get 0.08 mon for every MAD token. All right, so right now guys, I need to select the amount that I want to add this liquidity. So I'm going to be adding 2 as well. Okay, so right now guys, you can see we have a insufficient MAD balance, meaning that the balance of MAD that I have on my wallet is not enough. So right now guys, I need to go ahead and decrease it to maybe 1.5 like this. Okay, let's see what we're going to be having. Right, you can see we now have it completed like this, so I need to click on enable MAD right now. Okay, and right now guys, a MetaMask transaction is going to be popping up like this, and right now guys, I need to click on confirm. Okay, you can see confirm right here. I need to click on confirm like this. Okay, And right now, guys, you can see successfully we have enabled it. So I need to go ahead and click on supply. All right, so right now, clicking on supply right now, I need to review these guys, then I need to click on confirm supply right now. So loading up right now, a MetaMask transaction is going to be popping up. Okay, and we need to then confirm the transaction, then we go to the next step. Okay, I then click on confirm to actually confirm this right now. You can see successfully we have now added liquidity. All right, so right now, guys, we are now done with this. Let me show you the next thing you need to do from here. Okay, so remember, we have other pays that you can just swap and then come over here to add liquidity on. Okay, we have a lot of pay. All right, but once you are done with this, there is one more thing that you actually need to do. You need to come over here to task. All right, coming over here on task, let me show you something you need to know right here. So you can see over here that I've actually done some couple of things. For example, I've earned about 110 XP from my activities on this platform, and this is where the total activity will be showing. And of course, this is your global ranking. All right, so looking over here right now, this is where you can even earn more by getting to come over here every day and of course check in. To be able to check in, you need to come over here and just click on check in, and you'll be checking in successfully. And also we have daily swap, but this daily swap is when you have swap or about 0.1 mon every day to actually claim 50 XP. Scrolling down a little bit, you can see if you swap up to 20 mon daily, you get 200 XP, and if you add liquidity, you also get 50 XP for that. All right, so scrolling down, we have a lot of other activities like joining the Telegram, joining the Discord, and so many other things, and even getting to invite people. All right, so to be able to do all these are very, very simple, and you can just go ahead and click on try. And if you click on try, you are going to be taken to where you are going to be doing the thing that they require from you. And looking over here right now, this is where the leaderboard is, meaning this is where you can see the activities of people on this platform, how much they've actually earned. All right, and over here, guys, you can see farm and staking is not yet live, so we cannot participate on the on farming and staking for now. Okay, but for now, you need to trade, add liquidity, and also complete that. That is what you need to be doing right now. And as you are doing this, you are getting XP, which is going to be determining your reward or your airdrop from this Madness lab, and also you are increasing your airdrop reward on the Monad-testnet. All right, so this is a simple thing that you need to know concerning this project right now. So go ahead and participate on it right now, build your team, and of course get to add more transaction to your Monad transaction that you have done already. All right, so this is what you need to know right now concerning this. Let me know what you think on the comment section, and remember, more and more activity and interaction on the Monad-testnet are going to be dropped right here and also on our Telegram channel. So if you're not following us yet, kindly do well to follow us, and do not forget to like this video if you find it interesting, and let me know what you think right there on the comment section. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video dropping very, very soon.